I recently got a very cool looking water bottle, but something happened to the spout. It feels kinda stuck when opening it, and now in order to actually drink out of it, you need to suck harder than Voltar at a milkshake drinking contest. Also, I must have put it in the dishwasher at the same time as some dishes with pasta sauce on it because the straw turned red, and while that didn't affect the taste, it's kinda gross knowing the plastic absorbed all that stain. I'm not sure if that's what clogged the spout too, but this bottle is fairly new, so I went looking for a replacement lid. I bought this one hoping it would have less plastic, but no, it's basically the same type of plastic spout as a typical simple modern bottle with an aluminum look to it. That's really disappointing since I'm one of those weirdos who could taste the plastic, especially on hot days. I really wish somebody just made a metal lid for these bottles, either with a silicone cover or just a basic screw off lid. Anyway, it comes with two straws as well as a brush. I'll be washing these by hand from now on to avoid another red straw. The straws were actually a bit too long for this bottle. I just used scissors to cut one to the same size as the original, and it worked fine. I'm wondering how many tiny bits of cut plastic are getting into my water now, though. Anyway, the lid fits perfectly, and the spout is much easier to open. The handle's pretty decent too, and overall, it's definitely an upgrade from the one that came with this bottle. The water even flows better. So while this is definitely sunk cost syndrome at its best, at least I could still keep using this bottle. I just really, really wish somebody made a completely plastic free version.